If you clicked over from that shot, you're probably sitting at your desk right now, wanting to work, but your brain just won't let you. In the military, this is called a system freeze. When the Air Force Colonel John Boyd invented the ODA loop, he discovered that when people get overwhelmed, they don't fail at doing the task. They fail because their mental operating system gets jammed during the orient phase. Today, I am going to show you how to use the exact 2-second circuit breaker pilots use to clear that jam and instantly unlock your focus. Let's look at the loop. Observe, orient, decide, act. When you sit down to study, your eyes observe a massive textbook or a huge to do list. Automatically, your brain moves to step 2, orient. This is basically your brain's mood. It's that heavy, foggy feeling when you are tired, bored, or just totally overwhelmed by how much stuff you have to do. If your brain is stuck in that bad mood, your orientation phase screams that this is too much work and your system glitches. You can decide to study all you want, but your mind will literally lock you out. The third step, decide, gets corrupted by stress. So, step 4, act, never happens. You just sit there losing energy, trapped in a loop of pure brain fog. So, how do pilots fix this in the middle of a high stress dogfight? They don't try to solve the whole battle at once. They use a 2-second circuit breaker to force a micro loop. Here's how to apply it to your desk right now. Second one, cut the input. Close your eyes completely or stare at a blank wall to stop the data overload. Second 2, lock onto a micro target. Force your eyes to lock onto the tiniest single action. Don't think about studying math. Think. Pick up the blue pen. By shrinking your target to something that requires zero brain power, your orientation phase doesn't have time to trigger anxiety. You successfully complete an ultra fast loop. Observe the pen, orient. It's easy. Decide to pick it up and act. Once the first 2-second loop finishes, the system freeze is broken. You have generated momentum. Now you immediately start the next micro loop. Your next target is just write down question number 1, then read the first sentence. In military strategy, this is called fast looping. By the time you complete 4 or 5 of these tiny effortless loops, your brain's orientation shifts from I am overwhelmed to I am actually doing this. The focus takes care of itself. Stop trying to force a broken brain to do massive tasks. Cut the input, log onto a micro target, and complete a 2-second loop. Try this right now for your next study session. Drop a comment below letting me know if your brain cleared up. And subscribe if you want to keep upgrading your mind's operating system. See you in the next one.